In today's video, I'm making an easy and quick sweet plantain arepas stuffed with mozzarella cheese. You will only need 4 ingredients to make them, plus they are kid-friendly and gluten-free. Let's start cutting and cooking the right plantain. Remove the ends of the plantain and cut it into 4 pieces. Then cut lengthwise so you can remove easily the peel. In a pot, add water and place the pieces into it. Cover and let it boil for 10 to 15 minutes or until they are soft. Break the plantain with a knife and it should enter and exit easily. Remove from the pot and let it cool for a few minutes. Remove the peel and add to a mixing bowl. Mash it with a fork or a potato masher. Add half a cup of oat flour and mix until incorporated. Divide the mixture into 4. Leave the dough to rest and cool so it's easier to handle. Then form balls with each section. Make a small hole in the middle of the bowl and add the cheese. Roll and flatten them to form the arepa. Continue until you finish with the 3 remaining pieces. In a frying pan over medium heat, add oil or butter and fry each arepa on both sides for 5 minutes per side or until golden brown. And there you have it. These delicious stuffed plantain arepas are perfect for breakfast with a cup of coffee or for any meal of the day. I hope you enjoyed today's video and let me know, have you made arepas before? Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep on sharing your love for food. Bye!